Alright, you guys, welcome back to my show. Today I went to Target. This is a wavewrecker 2026 new truck. It was part of case A, but this isn't case A. The wavewrecker. This is a brand new Samson case at Target. I didn't find Samson at all. I wanted them, but didn't have them. Name: wavewrecker, truck type, city, strength, hydro havoc, trash captain cast. So new ones are pooper platter, Samson, roaring engine, airplane mode, tiger version, wavewrecker. Great Bite Leopard Shark, which I have. Gangster, I have it. 5 alarm, I have it. I don't care about those anymore, so I'm crossing all these out. I just need 4 for this mix. That's why I finish them quick, because since I have the releases. And then 1A made in the first week of 2026. This is case A, but this isn't case A. This is another case. But I'm unboxing that way. I should really change those plastic cars. I'm tired of them. Ooh, okay, guys, this is a nice one. Look at this. Isn't that cool? I love the blue translucent water. Wavewrecker, Hot Wheels Racing. Chrome blue rims and no Belux. The chrome blue, yellow rims. Says Racing. What does that say? Wavewrecker. There it is. I love that color scheme going on there. Sign in the plastic motor, which is chrome. Hollow Moss trucks, and then it has yellow metal flake, which is nice. Wavewrecker on the back, and it has a yellow chassis, black roll cage. It says Hot Wheels on the front. So that's all I got today, guys. Hopefully I do get Samson one of these days, which I know I will. Like, subscribe, comment. Check out more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you all enjoyed.